Let's explore the essential tools for Go development. We'll focus on 3 fundamental tools that will help you write better Go code: gofmt, govet, and godoc. gofmt is used for code formatting, govet for static analysis, and godoc for documentation. gofmt is the automatic code formatting tool. It enforces a consistent code style across your Go projects, making your code easier to read and understand. This tool formats your code automatically, saving you time and effort. It's built right into the Go toolchain, so it's readily available for use. To format a single file, you can use the command gofmt main.go. To format an entire package, you can use the command gofmt //. The 3 dots indicate formatting all files in the current directory and its subdirectories. To check the formatting without applying changes, you can use the command gofmt .. This will show you the differences between your code and the gofmt's expected format. Here's an example of how gofmt transforms code. On the left is code before formatting. Notice the inconsistent spacing, lack of indentation, and missing new line after the package declaration. On the right is the same code after running gofmt. The tool has added indentation, standardized spacing, and inserted a new line for improved readability. gofmt makes sure that all Go programs in the ecosystem looks the same and has a uniform feel to it. Govet is a static analysis tool that detects suspicious constructs in your code. It helps you find potential bugs before you even compile your program. This tool is like a safety net, catching common mistakes early in the development process. To analyze the current package, simply run govet. To analyze a specific file, use govet main.go. To analyze all packages, use govet /.. which analyzes all Go files starting from current directory. Here are a couple of common issues that govet can detect. First, printf issues. If you use the wrong format specifier in a printf function, govet will warn you. For example, if you try to print a string using the integer format specifier, %d, govet will catch this type mismatch. Second, unreachable code. Govet identifies any code that can never be executed, such as statements after a return statement in a function. This helps you clean up dead code and avoid potential confusion. Godoc is a documentation viewer that allows you to view package documentation directly from the command line. You can easily search for functions and types, making it a convenient way to learn about Go's standard library and third-party packages. It provides quick command line access to documentation, so you don't have to leave your terminal. To view package documentation, type godocfmt. To see documentation for a specific function, use godocfmt.printf. To view documentation for the current package, simply type godoc. Here's how godoc works in practice. If you run godoc.json, it will display the package information for the JSON package, including a brief description and a list of available functions such as marshal and unmarshal. If you want to see the function details for the json.marshal function, then use the command godocjson.marshal. This will show you the function signature and a detailed description of what the marshal function does. To make the most of these Go tools, follow these best practices. Automate the tools using CI/CD pipelines to ensure consistent code quality across your project. You can also set up pre-commit hooks to run these tools before committing any changes. Make regular usage of these tools a habit, integrating them into your daily development workflow. Write clear comments for your code, enabling easy documentation extraction with godoc. A recommended development workflow is: first, write your code, then format it with gofmt. Analyze it with govet. Generate or view documentation with godoc. And finally, commit your changes.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.